To an incredible rescue story now in the Fraser Valley that started when a dog became injured deep in the backcountry.
When his owners weren't able to get him out on their own, they made a public plea for help.
As Penny Daflos reports, what happened next is a powerful example of the kindness of strangers.
The people huddled around this weak and injured dog were all strangers drawn together by a plea on social media.
One of the ladies posted on our Chilliwack hiking group a cry for help, saying that her dog and daughter were kind of gone missing.
Ian Hervey had only recently joined the group, but when he learned Louie the Chocolate Lab had been stuck on a Chilliwack mountain for 4 days, he jumped into action with other Good Samaritans.
I was a little nervous on trying to figure out if we were going to be able to bring the dog down. The dog was about 90 pounds.
She was okay, but she's not going to leave that dog. That dog is her best friend.
Amanda McGregor was stunned at how quickly the group gathered to help Louie and her stepdaughter Janessa after RCMP wouldn't authorize a rescue for a dog.
So we turned to Facebook. Where else do you go, right? Because if he had stayed another day, he'd have died.
It was a difficult rescue near Radium Lake through 9 kilometers of steep terrain, 2 suspension bridges, while hauling Louie on a borrowed stretcher over large logs. And they did it in record time.
Oh my gosh, it was, yeah. Words can't express my thanks and my gratitude.
Louie was treated for bruises and badly skinned paws and is now back home with Amanda and her husband.
It's people coming together, and the power of people is huge.
And that power is ongoing. The Chilliwack Hiking Group is now crowdfunding to help with Louie's vet bills. The pup's newfound friends are playing down their active heroism, focusing on the surge of community goodwill instead.
We were really fortunate that everyone was able to come together and make it happen.
Penny Daflos, CTV News.
That's a nice looking dog.
Incredible. And 90 pounds, that's not easy,
Not easy to move
hauling
around.
a dog out from a hike like that.
Good for them.